you will respond, "Aye, sir." Do you understand?
Yes,
If
sir.
you're given a command, you will scream back at me because I'm screaming at you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now you open your face and scream.
Yes, sir.
Open your face. That means get louder.
Yes.
Now you say, "Aye, sir."
Aye,
You
sir.
say, "Aye, sir."
Aye, sir.
You say, "Aye, sir."
Aye,
You
sir.
understand how that works?
Yes,
When I ask you a question, you respond yes sir or no sir. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, you are in a formation right now. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Every single time you get off that bus, you will get in this formation right here. Do you understand?
Yes,
I
sir.
don't care what position you're in right now, you will find a place. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Maybe 5 of you in the back, 6 of you in the front. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do I have any questions?
No, sir.
All you face to the right now. Go face back to me. When I say something, you say something. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I told you to do something, you respond, "Aye, sir."
Aye, sir.
Face to the right now.
Aye, sir.
Face back to me.
Aye,
Face
sir.
to the right now. Face back to me.
Aye,
Face
sir.
to the right now. Face back to me.
Aye, sir.
Is there anything confusing you right now?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
No,
Do you
sir.
understand?
Yes,
Face
sir.
to the right now.
Aye, sir.
Face back to me.
Aye,
Face
sir.
to the right now.
Aye,
Face
sir.
back to me.
Aye, sir.
I'm still louder than you, so let me use one of me. "Aye, sir."
Aye, sir.
"Aye, sir."
Aye, sir.
"Aye, sir."
Aye, sir.
Hey, did we eat breakfast this morning? Did we eat breakfast this morning?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let the bugs eat. Let the bugs eat. Stop scratching your face. Now you respond, "Aye, sir."
Aye, sir.
Let the bugs eat.
Aye, sir.
Let the bugs eat.
Aye, sir.